Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your site header in Squarespace. Your site header is one of the first things visitors see when they land on your website. So having full control over its appearance and functionality is essential for creating a professional and polished look. To get started, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all of your websites and projects. Now that you're on the dashboard, locate the website where you want to edit the site header and click on it. This will take you directly to that site's management area. On the preview of your website, move your cursor to the page and click Edit Pages. This action opens up the page editor where you can make changes to various sections of your site. Once you're in the editor, click Edit to activate editing mode. Now navigate to your header section at the top of the page and click Edit Site Header. This opens up all the customization options specifically for your header. The first thing you can do here is resize your header. Simply click and drag the header to adjust its height. This is useful if you want to make your header more prominent or keep it minimal and compact. Next, click on Edit Design. This will reveal a variety of editing options that control the overall look and feel of your header. You'll see settings for layout, link spacing, element spacing, drop shadow, border, fixed position, size, and width. These options give you precise control over how your header appears and behaves as visitors scroll through your site. After exploring the design settings, click on Color. Here you have multiple options to customize your header's color scheme. You can choose between solid colors, gradients, or adaptive colors that change based on the content behind them. This flexibility helps ensure your header always looks great and maintains proper contrast. You can also customize your navigation menu directly from the header editor. Click on the navigation menu in your header, then click the pencil icon. This allows you to arrange and reorder the content of your navigation menu, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. To add more functionality to your header, click Add Element. This gives you access to additional elements like buttons, social links, a cart icon, account access, and a language switch. These elements can significantly enhance user experience and provide quick access to important features. Take some time to explore all these options, elements, and settings. By experimenting with different combinations, you can create a site header that perfectly matches your brand and meets your website's needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.